Good morning, everyone. Today I'll discuss about gully erosion. As we know, what is erosion? Erosion is degradation of a soil in terms of water and in terms of air. So, what is gully erosion? Gully erosion is the removal of soil along drainage lines by surface water runoff unless steps are taken to stabilize the disturbance. Gully will continue to move by headwards erosion or by slumping of the side walls. Okay, these are generally small in size and can't be destroyed by tillage operation like means harrowing. Okay, like means there are many options to means control gully erosion. Okay, and it is the advantage stage of rain erosion. Much as a rain is a advantaged stage of seed erosion, as we know. Okay, and so, in this slide, we discuss about the means high intensity of flow of run of increase the gully dimensions. Okay, and these gully can't be destroyed by tillage machinery also, heavy tillage machinery also. It is fulfilled by according to time means it take time to cover. Okay, by soil. Okay, and large gullies and their network are called as a ravines. And the best example is Chambal Valley region in Madhya Pradesh is affected by gully erosion. It is responsible for the formation of Chambal ravines. Ravines are regions formed by constant vertical erosion by flowing stream and rivers. So this picture shows the gully erosion as we see here means the cross section area of this gully. Okay, it can't destroyed by any tillage machinery. Okay, if we use heavy tillage machinery, it's impossible to you know convert in a normal soil. Okay, so these are the causes of gully erosion. Gully erosion may occur as a result in continuous and heavy rainfall. And secondary, the greater the intensity and duration of rainfall, the higher and erosion potential. Okay. Thirdly, the impact of raindrops on the soil surface can't break down soil sediments and disperse the sediment to downstream. It caused by minimum activities. Okay, and lastly, caused by farming and uncontrolled grazing practices, it breaks up soil and softens the overall structure. These are the stages of gully erosion. First stage is formation stage, second is development stage, third is healing stage, and last is stabilization stage. In stage 1 means initial of gully erosion and channel erosion, tipping of gully bed dependent on topsoil and other factor, and lastly the stage proceeds slowly if the topsoil is resistant. Okay, in development stage, what happened means upstream movement of gully head, enlargement of gully in width and depth. Gully banks are eroded to maximum and width becomes maximum. Okay, gully cut generally see horizon. Okay, and pattern material is removed by rapidly. Okay, healing means generally when what we do for healing stage means in a hilly local vegetation start okay growing in a gully and get stabilized. Okay, in a fourth means gully start fully established, gully reaches a stable gradient and no further development of gully unless healing process is disturbed. Okay, and there are many types of gully like V and U and trapezoidal also. Okay, means dimension on a gully based on depth, width, and side slope. This figure shows the U-shaped gully and V-shaped gully. As you see here, the shape of this gully is look like U, and this one is V. Okay. Based on shapes, I already told you, means there's two, means generally three shapes, but in this slide we show only two shape of gully U and B. What's about U shape? Runoff flow undermines and gully banks collapse. Okay, and formation of vertical slide pause in U shape. Okay, in a V shape, resistant or to erosion increase with depth, common in a hilly region. Okay, and compliant with steep slope. There the dimension based on gully means in a small depth is less than 1 and drainage area is less than 2 hectare, in a medium 1 to 5 meter and drainage area 2 to 20 hectare, large greater than 5 and drainage greater than 20 hectare. Okay. So there is state of gully like active gully and inactive gully. Inactive gully means continued to enlarge. They will be recognized by the presence of loose soil. But in inactive gullies means does not enlarge further and it is covered by vegetation on the side slopes. Based on dimensions, small gully, medium gully, and large gully. Small gully generally can easily be crossed by farm implement. Means generally means if we use any any farm implement, okay, they destroy the gully, okay, and the soil will become in a means become in a loose soil, okay, and remove by plowing and smoothing operation. Okay, in say medium gully can't be easily crossed by farm implement, okay, can be controlled by tracing and plowing. Side are stabilized by creating vegetation on them. In a lastly, large gully can't be reclaimed. Tree planting is done as an effective method. Okay. Thank you so much to listening me.